What's guys, it's video today. I'll be showing you how to make this a basic paper airplane. You can see it's very basic because I'm about to show you how it goes. So we're trying to set it up. This is how it flies. It got right over there. See?
It's what?
It flies. It
It
flew like this, but it turns. With me, sometimes when I fold it, it just flips, and then it goes in the other way, and it goes in the other way. So here's how you make it. So I'm gonna be a bit down because I'm sure how to make it.
You're scary.
So this is very easy to make. So the first step is to fold this paper in half. Fold this paper in half like this. If you're beginner paper airplanes, then this is perfect for your video. Then unfold.
Huh?
Then fold this. Then fold this corner into this edge right here. You can see it doing right here. That way you can see better right here. Just like this. Repeat in the outside. Then flip it over like this. Then fold this edge into the middle. It's supposed to be like this. Repeat in your side. You can see I'm not great on quality, but I just making a video. But I have one gaming video, so you can check that out. Then flip it over, and then fold this edge into this edge. You can see we already made it, because you can see we already made the wings. It unfolded into like the Y position, the mini Y position. Then there we go, a basic paper airplane. Go for it. Whee! It flew right over there. So make sure to click like and subscribe, guys. Bye. Thank you for the following.